Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figueroa and Associates. For consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.
U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, arrests are increasing. ICE has intensified its immigration enforcement efforts, leading to widespread arrests and raising significant legal and ethical concerns. Major enforcement actions. Florida's Operation Tidal Wave, a coordinated effort between ICE and local law enforcement, resulted in the arrest of nearly 800 individuals across the state. This operation, involving the 287 program, has been criticized for potential due process violations and the risk of wrongful detentions. Colorado Springs Nightclub Raid. In a large-scale operation, over 300 federal agents raided an underground nightclub, detaining at least 114 undocumented immigrants. Authorities allege the venue was linked to the Venezuelan gang Tren de Aragua, though critics question the breadth and justification of the raid. Pomona, California day laborer detentions. ICE agents detained more than a dozen day laborers outside a Home Depot, sparking fears among immigrant communities and advocates who argue that such actions target vulnerable workers contributing to disaster recovery efforts. Controversial detentions and deportations. Deportation of U.S. citizen child. A 2-year-old U.S. citizen was deported alongside her mother, who was detained during a routine ICE check-in. A federal judge has condemned the action as potentially unconstitutional, highlighting concerns over due process violations. Detention of legal resident Cleona Ward, a 54-year-old Irish woman and legal U.S. resident for over 30 years, was detained upon returning from Ireland due to past drug convictions. Despite claims that her convictions were expunged, she remains in ICE custody pending a court hearing. Arrest of Columbia University student Mohsen Madawi, a Palestinian student at Columbia University, was arrested by ICE agents during a scheduled citizenship interview. His detention has been criticized as an attempt to suppress pro-Palestinian activism and free speech. Legal and ethical concerns. Arrest of Wisconsin judge. Judge Hannah Dugan was arrested for allegedly assisting an undocumented immigrant in evading ICE agents. The incident has intensified debates over judicial independence and the role of courts in immigration enforcement. Expanded ICE authority. A leaked memo revealed that ICE agents have been authorized to enter homes without judicial warrants to apprehend suspected gang members, invoking the 1798 Alien Enemies Act. Civil liberties groups argue this policy violates Fourth Amendment protections against unreasonable searches and seizures. Conclusion. The recent surge in ICE operations reflects a broader shift toward aggressive immigration enforcement policies. While proponents argue these measures are necessary for national security, critics highlight the potential for civil rights violations, wrongful detentions, and the erosion of due process. As legal challenges mount, the balance between enforcement and constitutional protections remains a contentious issue.
Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figueroa and Associates. For consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.